Ladies and gentlemen, this is another JJC product review and unboxing and first impressions. So ladies and gentlemen, JJC just sent me a bunch of other new cool products to test out and to see which one works better for my practical use. So disclaimer, JJC does not have any say-so in my assessment and impressions or unboxing and reviews on their products. They sent this out to me in good faith, and I am going to do that in good faith. They don't get to see this video before you, they get to see this video at the same time you see it. Therefore, they do not get to say or have any input in my content. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you to JJC team for sending all these products out to me. And I've been testing this neck holder for a while now, and this is the magnetic attachment, and it's been solid. Only caveat is I wish this band was a little bit thicker, but other than that, it's been really solid. The magnetism on this has been super amazing. The magnetic force is about 5.3 pounds of force, so it's not going to come off so easily. Let me demonstrate that in real time. See, it takes a lot of force to come off. So with that said, everyone, I got my iPhone here to demonstrate some of the products. Thank you, JJC, for sending me the selfie tripod stick. But we're here to replace my mobile filter system. As you can see, I had to crazy glue it because these little screws kept coming loose over time, and I lost it. So what I'm planning to do is just Loctite it so it doesn't come off anymore. But with that said, we're gonna unbox this really quick once again for a second time, even though the first time I purchased it with my own money. This time they sent me another replacement, and you would get this little sticker in the box, and here is the magnetic lens filter mount adapter. This is a very brand new and fresh one that I'm going to add to my iPhone 14 Pro. It comes with the 2 screws, and it comes with the little screwdriver. In the box, it comes with the JJC MFS2 manual. So if you guys want to read the manual, that's up to you. But I'm going to put this to the side here. And then JJC also sent me this product. This is the magnetic phone grip for you video logger shooters. Now you can use this portrait or horizontal. So keep that in mind. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But in the package, comes with the lanyard so you can carry it around on your hand. Here's the grip, magnetic grip. What else is in here? Get a USB cable, which is great. You get a, not sure what this is, but I'm going to read the manual. This is the MSG-P1, just to give you guys reference. This is all the JJC products. This is the manual. And I like how JJC add these magnetic adapters. Guys, these are so useful. So they should come with 2 or 1 in the box. But these are useful if your phone does not support MagSafe. So don't throw these away. These are M3 magnetic rings. So keep these next to you at all times, just in case you have someone that does have a phone that wants to use your product. But other than that, this comes with the Bluetooth remote. You have to charge your Type-C USB. And I'm going to demo really quickly how strong it is. As you can see, you can use it for landscape. Landscape or portrait. See how easy it is to turn? Makes it pretty cool, right? So with that said, everyone, I think this is a pretty cool product. You can see the magnetic force is about 5.3 pounds of force, so that's good. It's not going to fall off, and this stretches out or bends, and this one comes with a mirror, I guess, to see yourself, but but yeah, that's pretty much what this product is, and I'm going to be using it from time to time. This one here is the magnetic phone tripod mount adapter. So we're gonna see what this is about. See, once again, in the box comes with these M3 magnetic ring adapters. So important. And here is the product itself. Yes, this is all MagSafe, all magnetized, as you can see. And there's a corner 20 thread on the bottom to mount this on your tripod. And as you can see, you can swivel it around to do landscape or portrait if you set this on a tripod. I think this is cool. And as you can see, it says lock and unlock on the product. So with that said, you turn this to loosen this, and you tighten this to keep it tight. So yeah, product works very well. It seems like the product is made out of very good material. But my name is ThePandaPhotographer, everyone. This has been my unboxing and first impressions on JJC's new product line they sent me, and I like it. This is definitely going to work out for doing video for sports events or events in general. Having a second camera, third camera, fourth camera with MagSafe by JJC, this is pretty cool. But other than that, everybody, once again, I'm going to repeat the products. This is the MSG-P1 series. This is going to be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using this, but we got to charge this, and let's see if it has power. Oh, it does have power. So yeah, this is like a trigger. So when you are shooting, you can video or photos, you can just, instead of touching the phone all the time. But with that said, everyone, we are going to demonstrate. Sorry if my phone is in Japanese, but yeah, let me just try to see. It says MSG remote. I'm going to connect to it, and I'm connected. And then now we're going to go into the camera. I'm going to take off the Maven filter cap, and we are going to see, it works. That's perfect. Take a snapshot. Let me take another snapshot. Excellent. It works, everybody. So easy to set up, no problems, as you can see. Very well, a very well good and established product in my opinion so far. So with that said, everyone, it just feels good in the hand, hold them like this. But other than that, everybody, my experience with the JJC products, all of them, from the neck mount all the way down to these products, have been really good, and I definitely recommend trying them out for the very first time if you never heard of JJC. Now, I haven't heard of JJC until I came across the Amazon page. when I was looking for a magnetic lens filter for my iPhone 14 Pro. And they're the only company other than Tilta that makes for the iPhone. So if you're looking for an inexpensive magnetic ring lens adapter, this is the one that you should buy. And this is, like I said, this is the MFS2. This product does do good, but the caveat is the little screws, because the little screws keep coming loose. So I have a little idea to just Loctite them down with the screwdriver. But with that said, everyone, this has been my unboxing experience using JJC products and doing my first impressions. I think they're all fantastic. I think you guys should give it a try. The audio system that I'm using is from Synco microphone, a brand. So I'm using their audio system, not using my Rogue or my Comic-Con audio. So ladies and gentlemen, I am using my CPL. So ladies and gentlemen, from Maven Filters. But thank you everyone, JJC, for supporting the channel and continue to support what I do on this channel. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys in the next one. Eat, sleep, photography, JJC, and repeat. See ya.